Hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel #The Storyteller for more interesting stories.
Okay, let's start. Are you ready? I don't know, I'm shooting this for the fourth time maybe. The same thing. I have no clue what's happening with me with this episode. But then whenever I'm trying to shoot, something is happening and I have to delete the whole thing and I have to restart the whole setup. And finally, I think this is gonna go live. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel #The Storyteller. Sirisha over here, and today I'm gonna tell you what are all the things that I carry when I travel. Most essential things that I carry while traveling. So as I have told you in my previous travel videos that I travel almost solo. So while traveling solo, you need not to carry a lot of stuff as you carry with your batch or your friends or family when you travel with them. So all you have to carry is the need of things, the things which you need, like very much important while traveling. And while traveling solo, you need to think and keep it in mind the one thing, that is the weight of your carriage. So whatever you're carrying, it should be like little less weight, and it should be very efficient to travel while you're walking, while you're going by any of the travel means of transport. So there are very few basic things that I'm gonna show you today that you might all need while traveling, solo especially. So mostly I carry a 25-liter backpack, which I don't have right now to show because I'm at my home and I have not carried my backpack to home this time. I have carried one big suitcase kind of stuff. So a travel bag basically. So I'll show you my 25-liter bag over here in the picture because I have a picture of it. I'll show you. So in that 25-liter bag, I carry all of my clothes. I carry mostly 3 to 4 pairs of tops and 2 pairs of bottoms, because you you need to change the tops very frequently because you might travel to a place which is really humid, which can be a lot of heat and all. So yeah, I carry all of tops more than bottoms, and I carry more pairs of socks, and the most important and efficient thing that I carry with myself is my shoes. So I travel wearing a pair of shoes, and I carry one more pair of shoes because trust me, whatever you're wearing doesn't matter, but shoes are the most comfortable, footwear that you can wear. I too also wear it under the lehenga also sometimes. So here are my pair of shoes. These are very comfortable Kalenji shoes that I bought from Decathlon, and this I wrap it in a bag and then I keep it myself. I just hang it to my backpack. So I always wrap it in a bag, separate bag, and then just tie it to the backpack's end. I don't keep it inside the backpack to make it to make more space inside the backpack. And I forgot to tell you, this is the most important thing that I carry, my phone. And before traveling, I make a list of items in my phone, what all to carry, and I follow that in my phone, and then I pack always. So since I'm not traveling to any traveling spot this time, I have not made any, but I have my old one. I'll show you here the picture. And next comes this bag. This is the Emirates bag, the cute pouch. So in this pouch I have all of my chargers, my earphones and my power banks, and all of my medicine stuff, which are like basic medicines, fever medicine, vomit medicine, and all basic medicines and ointments I'll have, and headache tablet also. And I have a packet of wipes, and I have this hand sanitizer that was given by Indigo this time while I was traveling to home. So these are cute pouches of sanitizers that they gave, so I'm keeping it in here because I would need it later. I have my face serum in it. I don't know why is it in this, but I have it. And I have my toothbrushes. I have 2 toothbrushes in it, and all of my stuff. And most important stuff is this. These are my steel straws that I always prefer using my own straws while I'm drinking anything outside, or juice or something, because this is hygienic, and I always follow hygiene while I'm traveling. That's most important. So I always keep it with myself in my pouch. And then I have my earphones and all the power banks and all electrical whatever, all the electronic stuff, my chargers and all in this, and I'm good to go with this pouch. And I have one more pouch, that's a cute elephant pouch again from Emirates. I have all of my which are not necessary, which I generally not use. I never use this much of things, but I don't know why I carried this to my home this time. So I have my kajal and my Johnson Baby moisturizer and a lot of moisturizers inside and a lot of lip balms and all stuff in this. So I generally don't carry this while I'm traveling to any tourist place. This I carry to my home. But few things I pick it up from here and put it in some of the other pouches that I have with me. And I have one more pouch. In this I have my hair stuff. Yes, this is important for me because you never know where you're traveling and what kind of climate condition is going to be there. And this mess needs a lot of things to be handled because I have this damn curly hair and it needs a lot of care to be taken. So in this black pouch I have my hair serum, and to remind you that always carry your shampoos and conditioners in pouches or in a small dabbas which are less than less weight, like less than 10 ml or something, because it will be easy for you to check in anywhere because the weight is necessary thing that you need to keep it in mind. And I always carry pouches of shampoos and conditioner. I generally don't carry, I buy it on spot wherever I'm going, and then but this is there in my pouch. And I have my aloe vera gel and my curl definition cream and one more curl definition cream. And these are very essential for my curls because, as I said, it really gets messy when I travel. So I just lock this pouch like this and I keep it with myself. So this is the third pouch that I'm done with, and I have one more toiletry pouch with myself. In this I have all of my sunscreen, my face wash and my tea tree toner and my napkin, like this thingy. And I also carry my sanitary napkins in this while I'm traveling. Even if it is not necessary, I have one pouch with me in this because it's safe to keep with yourself. So this is the pouch that I have. And yeah, so yeah, I have this, I don't know, I don't carry it always with myself, but then I have this nice perfume from Club de Nude Intense. Yes, I know it's a men's perfume, but I am in love with this perfume right now. This smells so good and this is a gift. Thank you so much, dude, for this. And this is really good. This is from Arma. So I carried this to home, but I don't carry it always. So this is not that necessary, but it was there in my bag, so I should. And then this all goes in my backpack of 25 liter that I carry always with myself with all of my clothes and stuff. And I carry one more chotu sa bag of which I get from Decathlon, but this time I carried this bag. So this all things go into that backpack which I carry front and back both always. So I'll tell you what all those things. So the first and foremost thing that I carry is this neck pillow. Is really amazing. This is the most important thing that you should carry because you never know where you're gonna sleep, what do you need. What if you don't get a good room, then this is important. So I bought this from Miniso. And let's see what's inside the small bag that I carry always with me. The most important again, I bought both of this together. This is the eye mask from Miniso again. And I carry a book with myself which I was reading, the notebook from Nicholas Sparks. I was reading this book while I was traveling to home, so this is there in my bag. And I have my wallet in this. I have all of my cards and the proofs and all. I don't carry much cash with me, but yeah, you should carry some cash with yourself because you never know. All the places in India especially don't accept the payments, but yeah, we have you should carry cash with yourself, little at least. And then I have my pen, my small diary in which I write where all I went that day, and I write my expenses and all. I know I can write it in my phone as well, but I don't prefer writing it in my phone. I like writing it in diaries and all. And I write few important phone numbers and all. And I have my green tea packets in it. I don't know, I have to use this, I guess. It's been a long time there inside the bag. Thanks to the video because I get to use it now. And I have my handband. So this wristband is always there with me. This is this was a gift actually. Actually not a gift because my friend was wearing it and I loved it so much and I took it from him, and thank you, dude, for this. And this says "No War, Love, Peace." I like it, and I always wear it while I'm traveling. And I have my lip balm in it, and I have my watch in it. But I never preferably wear this kind of. What else? I don't know why did I carry all of those things. And I have an extra paper bag with me. Yes, it's very important to carry paper bags with you because it's good that you don't buy all the plastics and all stuff outside. So you carry a paper bag. And I have my glasses, which are anti-glare. I use it while I'm using laptop. Oh yeah, I carried this bag because I can fit my laptop in this. I don't carry my laptop while I'm traveling. So I have my identity cards, which I carry always. I have my travel buddy. I guess you have met him already in my videos. Say hi to him. And I have my hand sanitizer. To tell you, this sanitizers are always in my bag before the pandemic also, because it's really important to be hygienic. I carry all of this hygiene stuff. I have a few pairs of gloves in it. And yes, this is the ticket that I have traveled home and I did not shoot it. It's okay, never mind. And I have a bottle of dry fruits in it. Remember to carry any of the snacks with yourself while you're traveling to any of the places, because it's really important to eat something. And I'm really a foodie. I cannot live without food, and this is my go-to whenever I'm hungry, even on the flights or when I'm walking also I need something, so I just take it out and eat. I guess it's half done. And I have one more pair of wipes, which are very very important again for your hygiene. So yeah, this is there, Nivea Fresh Natural something. This is the roll-on. I said I don't carry this thing. I carry this small thingy because it's really necessary, and I sweat very easily. So, yeah, this one. But I don't sweat while I'm gymming, so I don't know what is that logic. I have my sunglasses, and I don't know where is the dabba of the, my eyeglasses went. So these are the sunglasses that I have. Yes, I carry these always. And pretty much that's it. Yeah, my water bottle. Again, you do buy water bottles outside, but I don't know why I like to pour them in this. I don't feel like drinking from that bottle, so I pour it in this and then I drink. Sometimes I don't remember that also, so it's just an optional thing that you want to carry or not. I have my phone carrying stuff to record videos and click pictures and all stuff, and that's it. I think we are good to go. Let's travel. Yeah, that's it. ₹1 nahi mile yaar. I have one rubber band with myself. That's it. I'm good to go. And these are the things that I carry to travel while I'm traveling solo. These are very basic and important things that you should have in your bags. And let me know what all things do you carry, and what are the 3 things out of this that you carry when you're traveling. And stay safe and stay at home, guys, because even though all the lockdown is over and stuff, but it is just because of for the economy of the country, not for us to roam outside very freely, even though this cases are now increasing. So please be at home and stay safe, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, spread love. Bye bye.